Hello, healthy friends. This is Terry, and today I want to share a few of my favorite things for your Christmas shopping online. And I am going to just turn the video on to my screen recording and show you all these great gift ideas. I have ideas for the women in your life, for the men in your life, for your pets, for your home. And I'm going to link to all of the items down below, and you can find all of these things on Amazon. For the person who has everything, I tell you, anyone would love this mushroom growing kit from North Spore. I especially want this lion's mane mushroom kit if my husband happens to be watching this right now. But you can harvest mushrooms at home. That's a lion's mane mushroom in just 2 weeks. You'll never have to buy expensive mushrooms at the grocery store again, because you can just grow them right in your home. And what's so amazing about this is you can throw it into your garden once it's finished. Watch this little video.
After several harvests indoors, you can take your mushroom kit outside and often get additional fruitings. All you have to do is take the kit out of the box, place it in a shady area, and check it after rainfall. Another incredibly easy way to get more life out of your spent mushroom growing kit is by taking it out of the box and out of the bag and planting it in a garden bed. This mulched potato bed will make the perfect second home for this golden oyster kit. Let's do it. Although it doesn't have as much vigor as a fresh bag of spawn, this has a bunch of life left in it. We can mix this with other material and it can grow more mushrooms for us. All we need is a hamper and some fresh hydrated straw. Keep this thing on your porch or in your backyard. Keep it watered, and it should give you mushrooms in just a couple months. Your spent mushroom kit makes a great addition to mulch, and with any luck, the mycelium will spread throughout and you'll get more mushrooms. Now that it's out of the box, crumble it out of the bag into your wood chips. You don't want the kit fragments sitting on top of the mulch to dry out. So if you have more mulch, put another layer on top. If you don't, that's okay. Just use your hands to work the kit fragments into the mulch. Now we're gonna hit it with some water to kickstart the mycelium.
Give the gift that keeps on giving when you buy this North Spore mushroom grow kit. $26 for something that will continue to produce mushrooms infinitely for life. Now that is a really special gift.